Hello, my friends. I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is transcendental consciousness and happiness. You are sitting on the bank of the river and you are crying for water, 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 but you are not ready to jump into the stream of water and quench your thirst. You are so attached to the bank of the river that you cannot leave that comfort zone and step into the water. You are ready to visualize, imagine water, but you are not ready to go to the real source of water. This is the conditions of the present human society. They are seeking happiness everywhere, but they are not ready to go to the real source of happiness. You are very close to the field of transcendental consciousness, the field of infinite joy, bliss, and happiness. The moment you connect yourself to that field, joy, bliss, and happiness will fill your life in every way. For our forthcoming seminars and workshops, you just stay tuned with us. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell. Namaste, namaste, namaste.